Dear affiliates, I want to welcome you with this new strategy. It is named SuperNova. It works with two indicators. As you know, I try all my strategies on IQ Option Broker, and starting from August 1st, I will give my strategies only for my affiliates. If you want, you can join IQ Option anyway through my link in video description. First of all, I'm very glad to tell you that from today, Making Money Easy is a Make It Simple Money official partner. So I invite you to trust him. You can find a bonus link with $10 summer promotion in the video description. Let's go, friends. Learn this strategy is easy, but is necessary that you are proud and precise. Follow the rules, trust me. First of all, we need to check alwaysinvesting.com and choose our preferred asset. In this case, EUR/USD is in strong sell micro and macro trend. It means that our trades will go almost certainly in the money at the first attempt, if we invest in put. Okay. Now I'll show you this strategy on various assets, starting from EUR/USD. First of all, set the chart with 1-minute candlesticks. Well, we must add Bollinger Bands, and put 9 in the period window. Then, we must add a moving average, EMA, setting 100 in the period window, then apply. As you can see, the moving average indicates us where the trend is going. When the moving average goes up, we have an ascending trend. When the moving average goes down, we have a descending trend. Now, this strategy works like Bollinger RSI, but in this case we don't need the RSI indicator. It means that also in this strategy we must invest when a candle breaks the lower or higher Bollinger Band. The difference is that when the moving average goes up, we must invest on call. It means that if a candle breaks the higher Bollinger Band, we must invest call, and when a candle breaks the lower Bollinger Band, we must invest call. On the contrary, when the moving average goes down, we must always invest on put. Before we start with the first investment, I make a rules recap. 1. This strategy works well with $106 deposit. If you want your deposit may be smaller, but it is risky. 2. Don't invest when the moving average goes horizontal. 3. Don't invest when the candles move in the same moving averages dial. 4. Keep in mind also that if the moving average goes against the macro trend, you might need a second raise. Rarely a third. I invite, however, to make a deposit that guarantees at least 5 raises. 5. When you see the middle Bollinger Band horizontal, maybe the moving average direction goes to change. 6. I am not promising a miracle. Be patient and not pay attention to your money thirst. 7. Follow these rules, trust me. Very well, friends. Now we can start to wait the right moment. As you can see, I am on EUR/USD asset and the moving average is descending strong. I remind you that the macro trend and the micro trend of EUR/USD today is strong sell. Strong sell. So, this is the perfect moment to invest. We wait for a breaking. Maybe a red candle is breaking the lower Bollinger Band. So we must be ready to invest in put, because the moving average is going down. You must remember to invest when the candle reaches a purchase time of 31 seconds. I remind you that joining IQ option with me or with a Make It Simple Money's team allow you to obtain free assistance on binary option strategies and sometimes to benefit bonuses that not depend from IQ option, but from our personal funds. Well, I invest $1 in put. I remember you that you can open another window, or set the chart in twin mode. So, you can reinvest immediately in case of out of the money. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. In the money at the first attempt. Now we can wait another moment on the same asset, or search another good moment in another asset. Let's see. We can try with USD Canadian dollar. Well, in this case we have an horizontal moving average, so is better do not invest in this moment. We can find another asset. On Nasdaq we have a slight rise of the moving average, but we have to wait too much for a breaking. Furthermore, candles are moving very close to the moving average dial. Remind the rules. Okay. We can try to come back to the Eurostat asset. Take a few seconds to know that we are enlarging Make It Simple Money team because we want to help all people to trade in the better way. We do this with honesty and demonstrating our strategies on real account tutorials. I advise you to try strategies on demo account until you are ready to invest with real money. Maybe a green candle is breaking through the higher Bollinger Band. Stay ready to invest in put. In this case we must pay more attention because we are moving very close to the moving average dial and because the EMA is horizontalizing. But we can try anyway, maybe we need a second raise. Well, I invest $1 in put. In the meantime I remind you that you can join IQ option clicking on the link in the video description. I remember you that you can open another window, or set the chart in twin mode. So, you can reinvest immediately in case of out of the money. Okay. As you can see we are going out of the money, so I am just ready to raise with a 127% of €1. I go and put again. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. In the money. Before greetings I want to find other assets for you, only to show you that this strategy works well with all assets. I remind you that you can use this strategy also on OTC markets. Well, on the USD Canadian dollars we have a good moment. It seems that a green candle is breaking the higher Bollinger Band. Also in this case we must invest on put because the moving average is going down. I am ready to invest €1 on put. I invest on put. Very good friends. In the money again. I want to try the last investment on another asset, so you can trust on my strategy. Good. On GBP/USD asset we have a green candle that is breaking the higher Bollinger Band. In this case we must invest on call, because the moving average is going up. I am ready to invest €1 on call. I invest on call. I like to show you that I am using a real verified account and I am risking my money. All for you my friends, because I trust in this strategy and I want to know you are happy. In the meantime I remind you that you can join IQ option clicking on the link in the video description. Okay. As you can see we are going out of the money, so I am just ready to raise with a 127% of €1. I invest on call. Very well. Another in the money. That's all friends. I hope that you like this strategy. As you can see you must pay attention to the rules, but with a little deposit of $106 you can count on 5 raises. I'll come back with more videos and new updates of this strategy. I like to show you that I am using a real verified account and I am risking my money. All for you my friends, because I trust in this strategy and I want to know you are happy. In the meantime I remind you to join IQ option through my link or through Make Money link, that give you a $10 bonus. I hope to see you soon, richer than now. Bye bye.